Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into Origin Bank mortgage account online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open up a web browser of your choice. Now type in origin.bank and press enter, which will then redirect you to the official website for Origin Bank. To log into your mortgage account on Origin Bank, go to the top right corner and click on Login. From the options, select Mortgage. Select whether you'd like to log in and access your current mortgage platform link or new mortgage platform link after account upgrade. To log into your existing account, click on Login right under Current Mortgage Platform link. Click on Continue since you will need to get to the external link to log into your mortgage. Now, enter your username and your password in the login interface. Make sure to type in your credentials correct. If you don't remember your credentials, you can get help by clicking on the Forgot Password or Forgot Username link. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on Register Now link and follow through the instructions. After filling in the details, click Log In, which will then log you into your Origin Bank mortgage. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.